Welcome back, ladies. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So today's video, it's going to be very quick and interesting. So today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you affordable jewelries that are from this company called seednova.com. I'll put them on the screen. Also, I'm going to put their link in the description box to all these jewelries that I'm going to be featuring today. Thank you, Seednova, for sponsoring this video. Ladies, these necklaces and ring, I have just one ring among what I received, and the necklaces are going to be able, you can use these necklaces to uplift your outfit. You all know on this channel we're all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank. These jewelries are not expensive, they are very affordable. I know some people might say they are pretty much expensive, but trust me, they are affordable, and I believe that they will last for a long time. They are not gold, but you know, sterling silver lasts longer than just Please, ladies, do you not forget to leave me comments in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts about this video, and please give this video a thumbs up, and please do endeavor to check in the description box that will lead you to this website. I will leave their link in there. I also have a discount code I'm going to be sharing on the screen, and I'll put it in the description box as well. I will put all the necessary links, I'll put them in the description box. Please do endeavor to check. If you find any of these necklaces or the ring, you find it interesting and you would like to purchase it, that is if you like them, please check in the description box. I have all the link to this product I'm going to be featuring today. Thank you, Simplydemi.com, for partnering with me on this video, and without further ado, ladies, let's jump right into today's video. And the first one, which is a ring, I don't know if you can see it perfectly. I try as much as I can to make the engraved words on the ring to show. I zoom in, zoom out. It's so difficult, but I will try and find a picture that will let you see what is engraved on the ring. It's a women ring. It says faith. All right, and I love the fact that you can, you know, expand it to fit your finger size. It's a cross ring women faith religious jewelry. It's 925 silver sterling. It's a perfect gift for any occasion, such as Valentine, such as Mother's Day, you know, sister to sister gifts. It just has that word faith engraved on it. The next one I'm presenting is called the Dental Gold Silver Flower Necklace, 18 karat gold plated necklace. This one is also crafted from 925 sterling silver. It's embodied rose with a 3-dimension design, exude timeless charms of sophistication. I don't know if the camera is doing justice to this necklace. It has this rose in the middle, and at the back of it, they engrave the word love at the back. It feels very delicate. Remember, it's gold plated. All right, 18 karat gold plated, also crafted from 925 sterling silver. Next one, it's what I will call multi-purpose use, and the reason is because you can use it as a pendant. Also, you can use it as a ring. You can take the pendant out of the chain and use it as a ring if it fits into your finger properly. You all can see on the camera it does not fit my finger, but if it fits your finger perfectly, this will be an amazing purchase, because you can use it in two ways. You can use the chain with another pendant if you have a green pendant at home, so that it can match, if you understand what I mean. This is a multi-purpose one, and also the stone on it is emerald green. It's 18 karat gold plated. It's very delicate and very elegant. I love the stone color that they use. Oh yes, I'm going to be using this because I have earrings and rings that will actually go with this stone that they put. The emerald green signifies royal. Yes, I believe. And here is the last one, which is crafted with high quality sterling silver. It's an elegant necklace that is adorned with a vibrant yellow zirconia. It symbolizes the brightness of the sun. It embraces the beauty of the nature with stunning flower heart silver necklace. It is really beautiful. It is delicate, and it's not that expensive, ladies. It's very affordable. The inches is 0.995 inches. All right, ladies, this is the end of this video. Please don't forget to check in the description box to all the link to every jewelry piece that I featured on the channel today. And thank you, nova.com for reaching out to me to try your products. Ladies, please check them out. They have other things on the other jewelries on their website, and please use my discount code as well, which is on the screen, also in the description box, to get additional discount off your purchase. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.